Welcome. If you're a Telegram group owner and want to manage stories more effectively, the latest update now lets you delete stories posted by others in your group right from the Telegram app on your PC. Let's walk through each step so you can take full control over your group stories. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the group. Once the app is open, head to your chat list and find the group where you're the owner. Click to open the group chat. At the top right corner of the group window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open the Group Options menu. Then select Manage Group. This will take you to the Group's Settings panel, where you can adjust various permissions and configurations for your group. Next, look for the Administrators section and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all admins and their roles. Find your own profile, which should be labeled as Owner, and click on it to open the owner permissions. Scroll down to the section labeled Manage Stories. In this area, you'll see a toggle or checkbox for Delete Stories of Others. Enable this option to grant yourself the ability to remove any stories posted by other group members. Once you've enabled this permission, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. With this setting turned on, you as the group owner can now delete any story posted within the group, helping you keep your community content relevant and appropriate. That's it. Managing stories in your Telegram group just got a lot easier with this new update. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group owners so they can take advantage of this powerful feature too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined group management experience.